We really need to start talking about why it's so important to get along with a potential spouse's family. And not only for the purpose of vetting them, there's another really important purpose for actually getting along with your spouse's family, and it's not talked about. Let me explain. We need to get along with our spouse's family to safeguard our marriage from frivolous divorce. There is emotional capital that we invest in in-laws that provides a protective factor for when adversity strikes your marriage. And these connections can also provide support during really challenging times and are valuable for the longevity and the resilience of your marriage. The stronger your bonds with your extended family are, the more reinforcement you have for resolving your differences with your spouse. On the other hand, if those bonds are weak, it's much easier to accept the collateral damage of breaking ties if you feel that you need to escape a dysfunctional or incompatible family system. In earlier eras and class systems, this was embedded in the marriage concept. People married into specific families intentionally to augment and amplify their status, resources, and legacy potential. But we don't have to revert to that transactional perspective to leverage the value of strong extended family ties. Having those kinds of secure attachments with extended family also serves this essential function. So before you get married, make sure that you properly vet your relationships with your partner's family to see if you can create these kinds of healthy, secure bonds with them and reduce the chances of you getting divorced.